Week of May, but we're looking ahead to hurricane season, which begins Sunday, June 1st. And right now, meteorologist Dana Wilson is joining us in the Weather Center with preparation tips. Dana.
When a hurricane hits, it doesn't just rattle the coast. It knocks out power, blocks roads, and puts families in survival mode for days, even far inland. That's why this preparation starts long before the first storm shows up on your radar. It starts here. Your hurricane kit. Not glamorous, not flashy, but when the winds rise and the lights go out, this could be what keeps your family safe. The essentials. Think of it as a 3-day lifeline. You'll need 1 gallon of water per person per day, enough food you don't have to cook, a manual can opener, flashlights, not candles, and a radio that works even when the internet doesn't. And don't forget, medications and first aid basics. Now, the often forgotten. Power banks to charge your phone, copies of your ID and insurance in a waterproof pouch, a stash of cash because ATMs might not be working, hygiene supplies, pet food, diapers, blankets. It's all about thinking ahead. Hurricane season runs from June to November, but storms don't wait for your grocery run. They can intensify overnight. And if you're rushing to the grocery stores with everyone else, chances are you'll come up short. So here's your challenge tonight. Build your kit, label it, check it each year. Keep it ready to grab because no matter where you live, from Hilton Head to Horry County, being prepared can mean the difference between hardship and safety.